Hey queens, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we doing a chit chat, and I know I have not been here for a while. I'm getting ready for work, and I want to say a big shout out to all of the queens who still follow my YouTube channel. I really truly appreciate each and every one of you guys, because you ain't gotta stick around, okay? You do not have to stick around. You do not have to watch my videos. You do not have to continue to be a part of my YouTube tribe. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys for being a part of my YouTube tribe. I truly appreciate you guys. And so, hey to everyone that will come past this video. If you feel like this is the information that you want to be connected to, the tribe you wanted to be connected to, please stay a while. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button if you like this video and you check me out and you like any of my videos. You are more than welcome to check it out. This is the e.l.f. cosmetic foundation as well. This is not a tutorial. I'm not into, I used to be a freelance makeup artist, but I'm no longer that. That was in my past years, my past life. But like I said, I'm getting ready for work, but I wanted to jump on to say hey to you guys most importantly, but also let you guys know that it is now 2025. Can y'all believe that? You already know that, but I wanted to share my plans for my YouTube page. I have been putting shorts on here, but I plan to do more YouTube videos, and my videos are going to be more centered around me turning 50. And it's going to be, I thought about doing videos centered around me starting life at 50. And when I was looking on YouTube, doing some research about the topic and trying to find YouTubers that are, let's say, 40 and over, right? Now I found some, but it took a while. It took a while to find YouTubers who are 40 or something. Not saying that they don't exist, but it was a hard search, right? It took me a while to find it. And when I did, I didn't find a lot of people who look like me. Okay, let's be 100. Okay. And so, not saying that I can't relate to other women, because I'm looking for women, and I want to, because I can only relate to women. I'm not saying I can't relate to them in some aspect of the word, but as you might know me as the self-love guru, the transformation queen of transformation, most of my audience is women of color, and I help them with overcoming hurts, overcoming pain, and not saying other women don't go through that, but I can relate to women of color in a different aspect, okay? Even for my own personal life. But we all are women, right? We all are women. But when I was searching, I really couldn't find a lot. Now, there are a lot of women of color. And so I said, you know, I want to document my own journey of heading into the age of 50. I'm so excited. I'm having, like, how can I explain it? And for the ladies that might be watching this and that are heading into your journey of 50, or you're there or you've passed that, let me know if you can relate in the comments, or in your 40s, you know, and you can relate getting older, right? How that feeling was when I described this feeling of you're excited, but you're realizing you're getting older, right? You're realizing, like, okay, this is real now. You're no longer, let's say, 20. You're no longer 30. You're no longer 40. You're now going into the age of 50, right? So it's a little different here. It's a little different here. And so I'm excited. Like I said, I'll go into more details about my story, because I can't assume everybody know me, everybody know my story or what have you, my childhood, my bringing up, because I share that I share that on social media in order to help, like I said, other women. So I'll go deeper into that as time progresses. But yeah, so it's a different type of feeling. Excitement, but it sits you down a little bit too. Okay, it sits you down a little bit. Yeah, for sure. It sits you down a little bit because you're like, whoa, 50. Yeah, that's different. That's different, right? And so I do want to document this journey. And so I definitely am going to get back into my YouTube bag, to say. I really don't have a bag, but get more serious about my YouTube channel. I've had a YouTube channel. This is my same channel I had for years. I never started over again. You know how some people start pages over and over again. I never started over again. I just kept the same page because I have so much information on this page. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to start over because, you know, somebody might need something. Somebody might be scrolling one day and need some motivation and might come up again, come up and scroll and find my page. So I never deleted it, and so it's tons of information, old stuff on this page. But I said, let me get serious about it, because I never really was I did it for fun when I first started my page. Me and my daughter, if you go way down there, you see my daughter when she was so young, my kids in karate, stuff like that. So I started just having fun with my kids, showing my kids, doing Dollar Tree hauls, which I still love to do, Dollar Tree hauls and things like that. So my page is going to be lifestyle basically, but I will have some sit down talks and things like that. But I want to document my journey to 50, starting life at 50. I want to change a lot about myself. I want to change up my style. I want to change up. I have already changed up my diet, working out more, getting serious about my workout, because I've been talking about losing weight for so long. I'm gonna definitely talk about that as well, because I'm really taking it serious this time. I'm actually involving God in my weight loss journey now. And so I'm taking a different take on my weight loss journey. So I definitely want to share that with you guys, my queens, my tribe, because it might help someone that struggles with weight loss. Because you think about it, we say put God in everything, right? Put God in the center of our lives. But do we really put God in everything? Let's think about it. Do we really do that? And so when I made the decision to add God, when I made that decision to add God, even in my weight loss, when I got a revelation about my weight, that's when, right? That's when I really start looking at food differently. I really start looking at my health differently. And so I'll definitely be sharing my weight loss, my healthy living and wellness on this page. So when I say starting life at 50, I truly mean starting life at 50, because right now it feels like I'm in my transformation. It feels like I'm transforming into something beautiful. I am in a place in my life where I see myself different. I feel different. This is a stage in my life where I'm not apologetic about anything. This is a stage in my life where I'm being intentional. I'm being straight up with myself, with everybody around me. I'm being my true self. And it takes time to identify her. It takes time to know that she exists. And so in this journey that I'm on, I want to share it with someone that's my age and someone that might not be my age, but is on a journey of discovery, right? And you know that scripture in Titus 2, as women, mature women that we are and that we are becoming, we are supposed to share our knowledge, right? We're supposed to share our knowledge and teach women, younger women, how to be mothers, teach them how to be wives, teach them how to be respectable women and love themselves and take care of themselves and be bosses and be Proverb 31 wives and women and all the things, right? And not to say I got it all right. Because baby, honey child, I made some mistakes, right? I made plenty of mistakes, as we should, right? That's how you learn. You learn by mistakes most of the time. But because of those mistakes, I can tell someone, hey, I made that mistake. I made these mistakes, but this is how I corrected myself. This is how you don't have to make that mistake. This is what that mistake, this is the consequences of that mistake, or this is how I course correct because of that mistake. And so just in case they might come up against the same thing or what have you, guess what? They can remember something I shared with them, or one of you might have shared in the comments and said, you know what? That's what I do. That's how I can fix this. That's how I might can use that tip in order to do something different, right? And so not only am I doing this life at 50, what I would call it, living life at 50. Not only am I doing it for myself, I'm doing it for all of us. I'm doing it for my daughter. I'm doing it for my grandkids. I'm doing it for my daughter-in-laws, and the ladies that might not have role models or might need godly counsel, you know, because I was one of them. I had my mother-in-law in my life for a good amount of time, but you know, other help wouldn't, you know, I didn't have that motherly, I didn't have my earthly mother here to help me if I needed to lean on her. So it's like sometimes you need counsel from some other places just to get other opinions, right? And so I hope that you will take this journey with me. I hope that you will see fit to subscribe to my channel. Number one, like this video, comment any type of videos you would like to see from me, any comments, suggestions you might have. Be a part of my YouTube community. I do have a group, a free group on Facebook if you want to check that out. All the links to anything you want, books, what have you, all of those things will be in the description. But most importantly, join me here on YouTube as I live life at 50. Go along with me on this journey. I know there will be some lows, but there's going to be some highs, plenty of highs. I truly believe that. This page is going to be like a personal journey, a personal diary, my tribe, y'all going to be my besties. We going to talk, we going to share. Y'all, I haven't hit menopause yet, so y'all help me out, help a girl out, and I help us. Let's help each other. When we look at, you know, for ladies that are there, ladies with me that are about to start. What are we gonna do? What are we supposed to do? So I got questions. Y'all might have questions. Let's do this thing together. I got so much to share. I got so many questions. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Living Life at 50. Let's go. Oh, by the way, I'll be 50 May 13th this year. So y'all get excited. I'm excited. Let me know when your birthday. Yeah. Let me know when your birthday, your age, where you're from, all those things in the comments. Let's connect and let's do this, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Know that I love you, but God loves you more. And I'm going to see you at the top because there's no more room at the bottom. Be blessed, y'all. Peace. We doing this, y'all. We doing this. Peace.